Verb to do and do collocations. I do. Do the shopping. She does some shopping. I do a bit of shopping. Do your best. Do your best every day to learn English. Do homework. He does homework. They do homework. Do the exam. She does the exam. Do a good job. They do a good job at school. Do the right thing. The kids do the right thing, picking up their toys. Do nothing. It does nothing. Do something is used as a polite way of asking for something. Please do something. Do anything means to take an action that is considered wrong or suspicious. For example, why is he mad? I don't know. I didn't do anything. If you aren't doing anything tonight, let's go out. Do a report. He does a medical report. Let's do it. Do business. They do some business. Just do it. Let's do this. Do work. I do some work. Do a job. We do not do the job. Do damage. The hurricane did some damage. Past tense. Do your nails. Hair. Makeup. She is doing her nails. Do laundry. She does laundry. Do ironing. She does some ironing. Do the cooking. They do the cooking. He does the cooking. Do dishes. They are doing the dishes. Present continuous tense. Do housework. They are doing some housework. Do a favor. She does a favor. She helps him. Do a drawing. She does a drawing of the park. Do a backbend. Can you do a backbend? Do exercises. They do some exercises.